Welcome back to Speak Easy English, and I'm Zira. Will continue data challenge. If you are watching this, you've already beaten the hardest part of any challenge. Starting. Most people quit on day 2. They feel the soreness in their jaw. They realize it takes effort. And they give up. But you are still here. That tells me you are serious about changing how you speak. Yesterday, we practiced monologues. You followed me reading a text. But let's be honest. In real life, no one speaks in long, perfect paragraphs. Real English is messy. It's fast, it's full of shortcuts. It's a game of ping pong. Today, we are moving from reading to conversing. We are going to focus on conversational flow. We will learn how to use contractions, how to use filler words to sound more natural, and how to inject emotion into your voice so you don't sound like a GPS navigation system. Grab your water, put on your headphones, and let's get into the flow. Part 1. The theory of natural flow. Before we shadow, we need to talk about why you might still feel stiff when you speak. It's usually because you are speaking textbook English. Textbook English is, I do not know where the station is. Natural spoken English is, I do know where the station's at. See the difference? The second one is faster. The words blend together, and it feels more relaxed. To achieve this, we need to focus on 3 things today. 1. Reductions. Native speakers rarely say every letter. Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. Got to becomes gotta. Kind of becomes kinda. 2. Conversational fillers. Words like and actually. Now, teachers tell you not to use these in an essay. But in a conversation, these are bridges. They give your brain time to think and make you sound human, not robotic. 3. Emotional inflection. If you say I am so happy for you in a flat tone, it sounds like you are actually sad. The meaning of the sentence is in the melody of your voice. Today, we will practice these in 3 different conversational scenarios. Part 2. The 3-step method reminder. Just a reminder of our system. Active listen. I play the dialogue. You just listen to the mood. Guided shadow. I say a line. You repeat it. We focus on the shortcuts. Reductions. Full shadow. We do the whole conversation in real time. You are the shadow echo. Part 3. The practice session. Scenario. 2 friends meeting unexpectedly at a coffee shop. Focus. Greeting. Casual energy. High rising intonation at the end of questions. The dialogue. Person A. Oh my God. Hey, I haven't seen you in forever. Person B. I know, right? It's been, what? 2 years? Person A. At least. What have you been up to? Person B. Not much, honestly. Just working a lot. You? Person A. Same here. Listen. I'm in a rush. But we gotta grab coffee soon. Person B. Definitely. I'll text you later. Shadow practice. Oh my God. Hey. I haven't seen you in forever. I know, right? It's been, what? 2 years, at least. What have you been up to? Not much, honestly. Just working a lot. You? Same here. Listen. I'm in a rush. But we gotta grab coffee soon. Definitely. I'll text you later. Module 2. The friendly debate intermediate. Scenario. 2 people discussing a movie they just watched. Focus. Expressing opinion, disagreement. And using fillers like I mean and basically. The dialogue. Person A. So, be honest, did you actually like the ending? Person B. I mean, it was okay. But I felt like it was a bit rushed. You know? Person A. Really? I thought it was the best part. It was so unexpected. Person B. I get that. But basically, the main character's decision made no sense. Person A. Well, that's the point. He was desperate. I think that's what made it realistic. Person B. Maybe. I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree. Shadow practice. So, be honest. Did you actually like the ending? I mean, it was okay. But I felt like it was a bit rushed. You know? Really? I thought it was the best part. It was so unexpected. I get that. But basically, the main character's decision made no sense. Well, that's the point. He was desperate. I think that's what made it realistic. Maybe. I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree. Module 3. The Professional Networking Advanced. Scenario. A conversation at a business conference. Focus polished yet fluid speech, professional vocabulary. Subtle stress on key words. The dialogue. Person A. I caught your presentation earlier. I found your point about market volatility really insightful. Person B. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you saying that. I was actually a bit nervous about how it would be received. Person A. You couldn't tell. You seemed very composed. By the way, are you planning on attending the gala tonight? Person B. I've got a few follow-up meetings to wrap up first. Person A. Totally understandable. Well, I'll look forward to catching up with you there. Person B. Sounds like a plan. See you then. Shadow practice. I caught your presentation earlier. I found your point about market volatility really insightful. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you saying that. I was actually a bit nervous about how it would be received. You couldn't tell. You seemed very composed. By the way, are you planning on attending the gala tonight? I'm planning to, though I might be a little late. I've got a few follow-up meetings to wrap up first. Totally understandable. Well, I'll look forward to catching up with you there. Sounds like a plan. See you then. Part 4. The Reduction Masterclass. Before we finish day 2, let's do a rapid-fire drill on the reductions we used today. I will say the textbook version, and I want you to shout the reduced version back at me. I am going to. I want to. I have got to. Kind of. Do you know? Or no? Why do we do this? Because when you use these reductions, you create more space in your sentence for the important words. If you pronounce every single day to and of perfectly, you sound like you are reading a legal document. When you reduce the unimportant words, the important words stand out. Part 5. Wrap up and day 3 teaser. Day 2 is in the books. Today was harder than yesterday because we added emotion. If you felt like you were stumbling, that's a good sign. It means you are pushing your boundaries. You are moving away from the safe English of the classroom and moving toward the real English of the world. Your homework for day 3. The mirror challenge. Go to a mirror. Pick one of the 3 dialogues from today. Perform it. Use your hands. Use your face. And try to act the part. The Hunt Challenge. Watch 5 minutes of an English movie or YouTube vlog. Try to find 3 reductions like gonna or wanna. Write them down in the comments. Accountability. Comment day 2, complete below. Tomorrow. For day 3, we are diving into the art of storytelling. We are going to learn how to tell a story in English. How to build suspense. How to describe events. and how to keep your listener engaged. You're doing great. Keep the momentum. I'm Zira and I'll see you tomorrow. Speak with me, and let's master this together. Bye.